Hi guys! How are you guys doing today? How's your Christmas and New Year's Eve? Well, we had so much fun, and one of the things that I got from Christmas is one of the gift that I've been wanting, or one of the toys that I've been wanting, and my family got it for me, believe it or not. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I have. And this is my first time doing an unbox, but this one is very exceptional because this is a very exciting toys that anybody in YouTubers can use. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have. I have a Mavic Mini bundle. It's a drone. It's a small one. That's why they called Mini. It's very, very nice. I was actually very surprised that my family got me this. They all pitch in to get me this. And we got this from Costco store. So it's not available on any regular store. We only got it from Costco. So they got it in this one. It's a bundle. So that means they got everything on it. So I'm going to show you guys what we have inside. All right, so we got this small box in here. It looks like this is a flight battery. So it's an extra battery. Let me open it. That's what it looks like. It's an extra battery. It's very nice to have an extra battery just in case you are running out of time, because your battery, according to this information in here, they only have 30 minutes flight time. So you can only use the drone for 30 minutes at a time. You have a spare battery, you can change your battery to fly more. So we're gonna put that back. So that's very nice. We have an extra battery. All right, extra battery is always nice to have. Spare battery. And then let me go take a look and see what we have in here. It looks like it's a charging base for your drone. Let me open it, guys. Let's see what it looks like. So we have a charging base user guide in here. Okay, so there's a cover, plastic cover. Let me see what's inside. All right, so that's a plastic. Very nice. It looks like this is something that you have to really take care of, because if you drop this, on the floor, it's gonna definitely break. So very, very careful, very fragile. And what else we have in here? And we have this charging base. So it looks like there is the charger, guys, where you put your drone right there. And there's also a charging for your USB, where you charge it and you cover it like that. It's very nice. Let me see if we have anything USB that goes with that. Okay, I think it's right here. Yep, it's right here, guys. There's the USB that connect to your charging base. So we're gonna put that in there. Okay, very nice. That's why they call it bundle, because they have the charger in there already. It's the charging base. And of course our Mavic Mini, guys. They call this DJI now. It's a Mavic Mini. Very nice. And look what's inside. There's the remote control. This is the remote control for your flying your drone. So you open the antenna, and it looks like this one here is gonna need a screw Let me go find out where the screw is. So we open this. When you open it, oh, there's the screw, guys. So you have to unattach it and then screw it here. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, we're putting the screw. There you go. There's your remote control for your drone. And this side in here, guys, this is where you put your phone. You attach your phone in there and then you connect it to this USB to fly your drone. And there's an application on your phone that you can use to fly your drone. And let me go see what else we have. Oh, there's our drone. See how small, guys? Very light, very nice. And let's go open it. So I would assume, because there's stuff in here, that we're gonna go ahead and open that first. And it looks like that goes like that and goes like this. There it is. There's 8 propellers in here. Very nice. Very light. And it'll say Mavic Mini in there. Mavic Mini. So it's very nice, guys. I'm very excited to get this. So we're gonna show you my first flight on this. I'm gonna show you how this Mavic Mini fly and see how far we can go. So according to this information I have in here, this can fly, there's a fly range of 2.4 miles, which is not bad at all. That's quite a ways. 2.4 miles. Yeah, that's quite a ways, absolutely. And I saw one of the YouTubers, they actually tried to fly this mini Mavic Mini, and it actually it reached at least 3 miles, close to 3 miles, and then they come back and they really drain that battery over 30 minutes, and they still have a juice on that battery. So it's really great so far. What I can hear on this Mavic Mini, it has a really good review. It has a 4K capability to watch your area where you taking your drone is. And this here, let me go take a look and see what else we have. Looks like we have a small box. We have another USB. I would assume that will connect. This is for this remote control to charge your battery. And then what else we have in here? It looks like we have extra propellers for your drone. So if you break your propellers, which is very easy to break, very fragile, very thin, you have an extra you can use. So that's very nice. That's part of the bundle. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put it back. Okay, so that's nice. We have extra propellers. And then what is this here? We have a USB cables. USB cables, it has different kind of USB cables in here. It looks like there's one for iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you can use this USB cable to charge your, or to connect your remote control between your phone and your remote control. And it looks like there's another different kind of USB cable in here that you can use between your phone and the remote control. And another different USB cable that you can use for your remote control as well. So it looks like these are for Android phone and then one for iPhone. So it's very nice. There's an extra. You never know what kind of a phone you're going to be using. So it looks like this mini Mavic Mini can use, you can use it either you have an iPhone or you have a Android phone. So that's very nice. Let me see what else we have in here. So it looks like we have a tiny Philips. a tiny Phillips in here that you can use to your propeller. So that's very nice. They added that in there. Very convenient. So that's nice to have. Just in case, you know, you are flying, you're out there, you're flying your drone, and you know, you have an accident, then you definitely have a time and you have a tool to change your propeller. You don't have to come home and wait and get your tools. And then what else we have in here? So it looks like we have an extra screws in here for your remote control. That's for toggling your remote. So we have an extra in here. It's very nice because they're very tiny. You can lose that very easy. So they have an extra, so that's nice. And I guess that's it. Let me go ahead and put this back so we don't lose it. And then what else we have in here? It looks like we have some user guide, some warranty information. It looks like they're giving you instructions, you know, how to fly your drone, and maybe information how to order a parts for your drone if you need a parts for this. So that's nice. So yeah, those are the bundles, guys. So they have the battery, they have the charging base, they have 2 extra USB charger, there's your remote control, and of course your drone, and of course your extra intelligent charging battery for your drone. And I'm gonna show you guys when you plug this in. So we're gonna go ahead and close this again. So we're gonna start from here again, from the bottom. Fold that and then fold this. Okay, the only thing I noticed on this Mavic Mini bundle, they don't have that brace that they had now. The other one they have now is they have a brace that you can hold this propeller so it won't go all over. So that's the only thing I noticed, that they don't have it on this one. So maybe I can order that separately. That way it will protect the propellers on this. So if I need to put this like on a bag or something like that, it will not break the propellers. So I think I'm gonna have to look to order that, because I know there is one in there where you can protect these propellers, and it will save you, you know, a lot of money and time not to, you know, keep changing it and stuff like that. So I'm sure they're pretty expensive. So that's what it looks like when you fold it. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this in this base charger. So that's what it looks like, guys. It looks like there's a magnet in there. So when you put this down, it will actually suck it in. It looks like there's some magnetized on that one. And that's what it looks like, guys. See, it's really nice, doesn't it? And let me see what it looks like when we charge it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this in, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. We have an extension cord in here. All right, so that's what it looks like, guys, when you plug it in. That's the base charger. It looks like it's fully charged. Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, it looks like it's fully charged, because when it's not fully charged, guys, it will blink the light off and on. This one is just a solid white, so that means it's already fully charged. So we don't really need to charge it anymore. We're gonna go ahead and unplug that, and we're gonna go try to see if we can charge this remote control. So we're gonna put that back in there. We're gonna go ahead and close this, but before we close this, we need to unscrew this screw here. See, that's one of the things that we can definitely easy to forget all the time, to put it back, because they're so tiny, guys. So we're gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna go latch it in. Make sure it's latched all the way. There you go. You hear that noise. When you hear that noise, that means it's already latched. And then we put it back, and then we fold the antenna for safety, so it's back where it's supposed to. And then there is that USB charger in there. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in. Okay, that one, yeah, that one fit. All right, we're gonna go ahead and plug that in. All right, so that one is also fully charged, guys. There's the 4 lights in there, solid lights. Actually, it's charging, so it needs to be charged. So now it's charging, guys, and that's what it looks like when you're charging your remote control. So my drone is fully charged. I don't need to charge it. The remote control needs to be charged, so that's the one we're charging right now. And then next time, guys, I'm going to show you how to fly this drone, and we're going to do a flight testing. I have to go travel somewhere where we are very close to the airport, so they're very restricted. There's a restriction on flying the drone in here. You have to get an authorization to fly the drone, which is fine, actually, very easy to do. It will allow us to fly at least 200 feet for at least 30 to 45 minutes, something like that. But if you want to go somewhere where there's no restriction, we can definitely travel, and that way we don't have a time limit. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to go to a place where there's no restriction, and we're going to fly our drone and test it. Okay, so that is very nice, guys. I'm very excited to get this, and I want to thank you, my family, for getting this for me. I really appreciate that. I will definitely be using this, be traveling all over, and I'm going to start using this. This is my first drone, so I'm very excited. And just like what I said, we can only get this in Costco. You can get the drone anywhere in, anywhere, any store, any electronic store. What they call that, the bundle, the mini bundle, is you only can get it in Costco. So thank you so much, guys, for getting this for me. I really do appreciate that, and see you guys.